how to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open the Google Chrome or any browser on your device. So I am opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so now from here in the search field, you'll have to type for Instagram support. So simply have to type it and search in the search field. Alright, so from here in the first, you'll have to open the Instagram Help Center. Okay, so from here, you'll have to tap on three lines just at the top right corner of that Help Center. And now from here, you'll have to go the option Manage Your Account. And just from here, you'll have to go the options like signing up or getting started. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like was this helpful. So you have to choose the options no from here. So simply tap on the no. And now from here you'll have to go the option other. Okay, so from there you'll be able to see a interface like this. So from this interface you will got a text area to mention your problem here. So from here you'll have to explain your problem to Instagram Help Center, like you can say that I have unfortunately or unconditionally deleted the Instagram account and it has been around 30 days, so I want to recover that account. So you can make a request from here. So after you made a request with the explanation, you'll got some notification from the Instagram Help Center, like they will provide you some procedure or the information to recover the Instagram account that you have been permanently deleted after 30 days. So from there you might be able to recover your permanently deleted account after 30 days. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.